Hello, stranger.
Yeah, you right. It's time to do this hair. So let's stop looking crusty. I have been using CECRED exclusively for 4 months now. So this is my 4-month review and like update. My hair has grown like crazy, y'all. As you know, or maybe you don't know, I also use the CECRED Edge Drops to grow my edges back in 30 days. There's already a video posted on that, as well as my first review of using the CECRED products 4 months ago when I bought the travel kit. And as you can see, I now have the big bottles, okay? The big bottles. Today, I'm using the hydrating shampoo, which is what you see here. And I'm also going to be deep conditioning today. So I won't be using the hydrating conditioner today, just the hydrating shampoo and the deep conditioner. But baby, when I tell you, my hairstylist even be like, girl, what are you using? What are you using? Because CECRED is truly, truly, truly that girl, okay? It's just something about the science in the CECRED products makes my hair so much more manageable that I really wish I had it when I was natural too. But being relaxed is really a game changer. And if you don't know, I hate washing my hair in the shower, so I typically wash it over the tub. But it's hard to show y'all how to wash my hair over the tub, so I went back to the old school days and washed my hair in the sink, okay? All right. My hair is really in need of a deep condition. I've been back in the gym, and so like it's just super sweaty and like not, you know, doing the things that it needs to do. I love the way that the CECRED products smell. So we're gonna go with the moisturizing deep conditioner and just rake this through my hair. And typically I will sit under my hooded dryer, but I'm currently working right now, so I'm just gonna sit and go back to work for 30 minutes and then come and rinse this bad boy out. Child, when I say this hair is soft, I swear by that deep conditioner, okay? This is like my 3-month. I think it's been like a full 3 months of me using. Say, yeah, this is July, so this is starting in the month 4, and I am still very much so obsessed. I used the hydrating conditioner on today I only used the shampoo, the hydrating shampoo and the deep conditioner, but I also have the hydrating conditioner. I have the strength treatment mask because I am relaxed, if you did not know, and so I gotta make sure I'm keeping this hair, you know, strong as well, because it is chemically treated and that much more prone to breakage. And I can definitely say my hair is longer, and I already have pretty thick hair, like actually super thick hair, just naturally, and that doesn't change with a relaxer. So my hairstylist, because I go to the salon once a month, my hairstylist has been like, girl, this hair though. And she's not wrong, because this hair though. I came back the first month after me using CECRED, and she was like, what are you using? Because she was talking about, like, you know, how strong my hair was. Like this, I have a lot of shedding, but how strong my hair was, how shiny, how thick. And I was like, CECRED, and she was like, you lying. I was like, nope, not lying at all. Not lying at all. But I highly recommend it. Of course, I can't speak to being a natural while using it, but I can speak to being a relaxed girl. And CECRED is a game changer. I'm gonna go in with my Chi Silk Infusion. I highly recommend. If you can't get anything, I have tried the clarifying shampoo. I just don't presently use it, and that's mainly because I already have a clarifying shampoo. Now when the clarifying shampoo that I have runs out, I'll probably buy it, but I am no longer in the act of over consumerism at this point in my adulthood. So this is what I got, and this is what I'm gonna use. But the deep conditioner, amazing. And if you do not know, CECRED literally grew back my edges in less than 30 days using the edge drops, which I know stay stocked out, and for good reason, okay? For a very good reason. But I posted a video on those as well. And I am presently on my second bottle of CECRED drops. And I'm about to open my third bottle, and I need them to restock myself because I can't be without my CECRED. Just can't do that. I just go in with the hair polisher, heat protected, just this handy dandy one that you can find at any local beauty supply, child, because it works just fine. And I am a glove girly when it comes on a flat tub blowing my hair dry, because I will not be caught out here. I will not be caught out here having to have burnt hands. Okay, I'm too old for that now. Alright, so then take my blow dryer high with the nozzle. The nozzle is key. The nozzle is key to doing this suppress at home, okay? Soft, shiny, that is my one little gray hair that I have. Soft, shiny, like, can you see the shine? Do you hear the softness? Like, it's so, I'm obsessed with that deep conditioner. Like, the length, we're getting some real nice hang time here. Real nice hang time. So as we watch me curl my hair for a little bit, I just really wanted to come in and re-edify and re-clarify and restate 1,000 times over just how amazing the CECRED hair care line truly is. It literally has strengthened my hair and kept my hair super healthy while being relaxed. I mean, that shampoo, like, I can tell the difference in my hair because I've been relaxed several times in life, but baby, I was never relaxed with CECRED. Okay, like, there is truly no other hair care line like it on the market for me personally. That deep conditioner is literally my saving grace while my hair is extra dry, you know, just from being relaxed and then going to the gym and all the things. Like, it is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.